Yes, my people, good day. Honda Odyssey doing motor mounts. So this is kind of what it looks like in the front, doing a front motor mount. I am sneaking it out of here. I'm always sneaking stuff. Yo, let me just tell you, time is money. So I just drop these mounts off, lean everything forward, shimmy this fan out of here. There it is right there. Got this fan out. I already unbolted the motor mount, 4 bolts on the base, and then there's 1 bolt right here. This is what your motor mount looks like from this perspective. You see where I'm working from? Yes, as I said, I am always sneaking stuff out. That is how you make money. You have to learn the shortcuts. Boom. So see it there. When you're here, you take your car to the shop and you hear them say you need a motor mount. This is what happened right there. You see that? Yo, this is now not just 1 component. It is now 2 components. Right? This part bolts to the engine and this rubber membrane now connects the engine to the frame chassis, and then the rubber dampens the vibrations and oscillations so you don't feel it and you get that smooth ride. Yeah, man. So see it there? That's that for that. Put that up there. And then now here the next piece come now. Now this motor mount is vacuum operated for stiffness and all that kind of stuff. So see it there coming out. So now the next thing now is to figure out how I'm going to get 10 pounds of stuff out of a 2-pound opening, but there's a way to shimmy it. So I need 2 hands with this, but I might be able to get it through here. Now, while you're sneaking stuff out, try not to put any holes in the radiator. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, kind of. Yeah. All right. Look at that. Boy, look at that. Got to survive in this land of competition. Got to survive in this world. What me tell them say? Roots, natty roots. Dread, bingy dread, yeah. I are the roots. Yeah, man. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless. Yeah.
And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel,